See, that black bird is drinking water from my plate and eating some nuts. That's the feeding table. And now I think he's going inside the water to take a bath or something. Another black bird has joined. Two birds are there right now. One is drinking and the other is probably eating the peanuts that's spread over the table. I have observed one interesting thing. This black bird who is at the water, what he does, not this particular bird, I think that species of bird, they pick up the peanuts, then dip it in the water, then eat it. I think they soften up the peanut. I think the peanuts are a little hard for them to eat or, to break. They pick it up with their beak and then go to the water and probably dip it in the water a couple of times to soften it up and then eat it up. And then of course they drink the water too. And I have seen many birds taking baths there, especially sparrows. And one or two other birds I have seen, I do not know the names of those birds. So that's pretty interesting. See, he's coming back to the water. The thirsty little bird. The other one is busy eating. He's not going to the water that's in the foreground. He's busy eating. Now I think he'll move to the water. That's really interesting. This is my first day trying to video the birds, and I'm not using a tripod. That's why I know there is some camera shake going on, especially because I'm zooming in. The table is pretty far from here, and I have zoomed in so that it is visible. But when you zoom in and you are holding the camera in your hand, there is always some camera shake. But I'm not using a tripod, I'm not prepared. And then again, using a tripod sometimes is a pain in the ass when you are trying to do nature photography or your video. You cannot move the camera angle quickly if you have to turn to the other side. See, another sparrow or something came to the table and just left. Let me try to record this for some time and see who else comes. I think this is evening supper time for them. I don't have a watch on me, but my guess is it's about 5:30. And in that far station there, someone is eating. That blue, I think that's just a sparrow, but I have seen chickadees there. I think they're called chickadees, the small birds. There are two sparrows feeding there.